The pineapple has a crisp texture and a fresh taste that is a combination of sweet and sour. In addition to being fresh, the pineapple has a crunchy texture, which is one of the reasons why it is so popular. Pineapple is a tropical plant species, native to Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. The fruit can also be found in other countries. The green leaves of the pineapple fruit are nutrient-dense. While it is not suggested to consume it raw, you may boil it in water and make a simple tea with it. Taste it for sweetness and enjoy. Pineapple sap is also found in the leaves and thorns, which can irritate the skin. The leaves, on the other hand, provide many of the benefits that most of us are not really aware of. Pineapple leaves are high in vitamins and minerals that are beneficial to your health. Pineapple leaf crackers, pineapple leaf tea, pineapple leaves biscuits, and other processed meals created from pineapple leaves are among the most intriguing inventions. Furthermore, pineapple leaves may be utilized as a craft material, and there are a rising number of pineapple leaf artisans across the world. Over the years, pineapple leaf tea has proven to be effective in treating a variety of diseases. It has the following health advantages when consumed on a regular basis. Pineapple leaves for nose bleeding. Although nosebleeds might be alarming, they are typically not dangerous, and can easily be managed at home. This is prevalent in dry climates or during the winter months, when the air is dry, and heated from heaters in the home. If you use drugs that inhibit normal blood clotting, you're more likely to get a bloody nose. If you have recurrent nose bleeding, due to environment, exhaustion or stress, you can treat it by drinking boiled water pineapple leaves to make a tea. And drink 2 cups on a regular basis. You may add some honey to it to make it sweeter. Can help cure hemorrhoids disease. Swollen veins in the lower region of your rectum and anus are known as hemorrhoids. The walls of these blood vessels can sometimes stretch so thin that they bulge and irritate the veins, especially when you poop. It is common knowledge that surgery should not be used to treat a condition, if there is a chance of treating it with the use of a herbal plant or any other natural procedure. If you don't want to have surgery, you can use cooked pineapple leaves. Or if pineapple leaves capsules are available in your place, consume it, to treat this disease. Tuberculosis is a disease that can be cured. Tuberculosis, TB, is an extremely contagious illness that predominantly affects the lungs. It is one among the top 10 causes of mortality globally, according to the World Health Organization, killing 1.7 million people in 2016. Pineapple leaves are also beneficial to people who have had glandular TB in the past. There is a potential that your health will improve, and that you will heal more efficiently with the aid of pineapple leaf and its healthy components. Treatment for flu. The influenza virus infects the nose, throat, and occasionally the lungs, causing a contagious respiratory disease. It can cause mild to severe sickness, as well as death in certain cases. If you have the flu, and are having trouble recovering, drink boiled pineapple leaf water after waking up, and drink it on a regular basis. Pineapple boiled water is excellent for your throat, and may help you get rid of the flu. Help to cure diarrhea. Diarrhea is characterized by loose, watery feces. If you have loose stools 3 or more times in one day, you have diarrhea. Acute diarrhea is a kind of diarrhea that lasts only a few days. It's a common problem. It generally lasts 1 or 2 days, although it can last up to 2 weeks. The nutritional value of pineapple leaves can help you get rid of diarrhea, especially if you're suffering from poisoning. Treatment for the inflammation of throat. A sore throat is characterized by a painful, scratchy, or dry sensation in the throat. One of the most prevalent symptoms is throat pain. It accounts for about 12 million annual visits to doctors' offices. Infections or environmental factors such as dry air cause the majority of sore throats. Sore throat other than pain can also affect your appetite. To treat it, you can drink boiled pineapple leaves and drink it. As an aid in the treatment of asthma. Asthma is a lung condition that affects people of all ages. Asthma is one of the most prevalent chronic illnesses in children, but it may also affect adults. Asthma can attack you at night, or early in the morning. Asthma produces wheezing, dyspnea, chest tightness, and coughing. Asthma is a respiratory condition marked by severe shortness of breath, which can be relieved by drinking boiled pineapple leaves. As a treatment for dysentery. Dysentery is an inflammatory condition that affects the intestines, mainly the colon. Mild to severe stomach pains, and severe diarrhea with mucus or blood in the stool are possible side effects. It can be deadly if you don't drink enough water. Dysentery is a digestive condition that can be cured by drinking cooked pineapple leaf water. Increasing the efficiency of the digestive system. Those of you who have a difficult time digesting food, should drink cooked pineapple leaves every morning, to aid your digestion system. Coughing symptom is relieved. Pineapple leaves can help with coughing and phlegm as well as flu relief. Phlegm may be annoying at times and has to be treated. Using the boiled water from pineapple leaves is one solution. The pineapple leaves can help cure cough. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you're looking for a video like this, look no further. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.